Fuji Eagle, what are you doing? We have all come here to country. This is our country. This is Warramai country.
This would be good.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Neville Lilly. I want my help to report Stevens as a traditional owner of this magnificent land, as we know, Warramai. Thank you very much.
And coming in at about 4 foot taller than Eddie is James Bradley from Diffuse Energy. Thank you, James. Matt Goddard from Agriculture is next up. And last but certainly not least, Chris Bird, the GM of ResTech. Welcome, Chris.
Obviously, a lot of it, because we have an IP, I cannot share. But what I can say is that that was definitely good learning. There was,
as an individual or a team, and then the challenge of kind of emotionally detaching.
Testing, sitting at a laptop, tweaking, testing, tweaking, out to field events, looking at data.
If there's no further questions, I might ask you to join me with a fantastic round of applause for a brilliant panel. Thank you.
G'day, Alex Brennan. We've just wrapped up the first ever Port Stephens Innovators Lunch. We had a manufacturing theme today, and the key takeaways for me were that starting a manufacturing business is really hard. The regulatory environment is a very difficult challenge to face. That failure is part and parcel of building a successful manufacturing business, and that we have some incredible manufacturing businesses in our region and some fantastically tenacious and persistent business owners. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us.